Okay, quickly, 3 questions. Is Sundowns a small team? Number 2, igoli lika-Leon siyaqala ukulibona lenzeka ku-PSL. Number 3, so addressa abojali ngale comparison kaZwane noMfukeng. Okay, 1, is Sundowns a small team? No, Sundowns is not a small team. And Sundowns akusiyi team engadumile. It's a big team because iyawina ama-trophy, seyakuyawina ne-CAF, ukuthi yayina kanjani-ke asikusuke lapho. But iyaziwa nje mhlaba wonke nako-CAF Champions League iyadlala, nako-FIFA Club World Cup iyadlala, iyaziwa. Phela mhlambe ungabeka ukuthi i-team enganakekile, yabo, i-team enganakekile, i-team eseceleni. Just like i-Reebok, siyayazi i-Reebok ikhona, uyayazi, but awuyinaka, uyithengi, but beyixhaswa Mayweather nabo AKA ngabantu abadumile, yabo, but idumile but ayinakekile. Yeah, iSundowns i-team enganakekile, akusiyi i-team encane. Number 2, igoli lika-Leon bafethu siqala ukulibona leli goli. Umfukeng wakwalishaya le goli eseyingane nabo eseyi-teenager nabo 15 16 eshaya le goli lana kwi-DDC efika. Even umfundo Vulakazi does that thing always, every day in training, it does that thing. Ukunjaka kayikori in a match. Now number 3, this comparison kaZwane noMfukeng, I think it's unfair to uZwane because uZwane ijeni yakhe nekaMfukeng ayifani. Umfukeng ukhule School of Excellence wadlala na kwi-DDC Pirates and uqale ukuba professional as a teenager. So some of the things Umfukeng achievile uZwane sasingakamazi. Where was Zwane at the age of 21? Umfukeng at the age of 21 has already scored in cup finals, he's already scored in Soweto derbies, he's already taken his team to Ilokhuzana i-CAF Champions League semi-final. uZwane at the age of 21 wawungamazi, wayengadlala ngisho ehlathini, wedlala ezansi kwehlathi, yabo, kwi-Vodacom League. uZwane uqale ukuduma esenabo 23 years. Nakhona athi ukuduma ukufika kwi-PSL. Nakhona because he was talented, but kwakuyi-natural ability. Playing in a professional structure is not something he was used to. So he had to go and learn how to play in a professional structure at the age of 23. And Sundowns had to farm him out. Loaned him out to Mpumalanga Black Aces ebango top 8 na Black Aces buyike ivikele izembe. Wahamba uLokhuzana uZwane emva kalokho wadlala, and uZwane ke shuthi angazi mazothi inhlanhla ukuthi udlala in a good team or ibhadi ukuthi always he plays under the shadow of another player. Akaze besethenjwa seSundowns uZwane kuthiwa nangu nje umdlalo othenjiwe consistently for 5 or even for 3 years or 2 years. Akaze kwenzeke lokho. uZwane mayezodlala kuSundowns, it's either he plays under the shadow of CPD. He was already 26 years old by then, ngo 2016, 2017, leyo mnyaka leyo. By the way, he win league. He was playing under the shadow of CPD. The player of the season was Kama Piliat. After CPD, he was playing under the shadow of Percy Tau. Player of the season was Percy Tau. After that, he played under, okay, then he had that season after lockdown. I think that was his best season with Sundowns, 2020, 2021, where he won the player of the season award. But right now, the best player of Sundowns is Teboho Mokoena. We all know that. And he played under the shadow of Ribeiro. Last season, he was playing under the shadow of Ribeiro. Mokoena was nominated alongside Ribeiro. So, ukuyigoqa lento Mokoena about inconsistency. Sasazobona ukuthi leminyaka asazoyidlala uzokwazini ukwenza izinto azenzayo kumanje, or even achieve more, because he could still go overseas and then the debate is over. But at the age of 21 has already achieved things that some people can only dream of. Nabo Manyama are regarded as the best players, but we no play of this, but he only got 1 trophy. I win a Cape Town City. And ayikhenye trophy akayiwina. Umfukeng futhi lento ukuthi akakore in big games or akaqhama in big games amanga lawo ayikho le nto leyo. Ayikho nje, that is a lie. Umfukeng, if the Soweto derby is a big game, Umfukeng has scored in the derby, wakwenza sublomi penalty kwi derby, uassistile derby nedlule igoli lika Police. If Sundowns is a big team, Umfukeng uyena lo wakora kwi final against Sundowns, ekhipha abo Lokhuzana exoshisa uBongani Zungu, exoshisa uRolani Mokoena, wakora ibrace kwi Sundowns lapha eFNB, wakora ibrace against Sundowns kuRonan Williams, who's regarded as one of the best keepers this country has ever seen. Manje uLokhuzana Umfukeng yabo usenza izinto ezinkulu kakhulu against the so-called big teams. If a cup final is a big game, then Umfukeng kade kora koStellenbosch wisa abantu phansi. Kanti yipi game, even the recent final iPirates ewinile Umfukeng wakora igoli lapho elawini iPirates kwi-culling knockout. So yipi kanti big game ningafuna kore kuyo. If Al Ahly is the biggest team in Africa, Umfukeng has scored against Al Ahly. Abo Ser Belouizdad, if they are big teams, they are giants in Africa, always participating in the CAF Champions League. He's assisted against them. He's had an impact, produced brilliant performance against those teams. Or MC Alger bedliwa ibononkotha. So yeah, kuna leyo nto leyo yokuthi uZwane uqale ukuwina iFootballer of the season at the age of 30 ebheke ku-31, which shows ukuthi italent ube nalo. I still wish ukuthi uZwane mina ukube wahamba mhlambe wathola the proper development kaMfukeng, waba nayo kwi-structure esomvumela ukuthi aqala adlale a teenager. Maybe it would have been a fair comparison to compare acquired them at the age of 21, but at the age of 21 there was no Thembazwane. I didn't know who Thembazwane. Even efika waqala waya koMpumalanga Black Aces alone, Nomfukeng akaza alone. Uthe efika wavele eshisa ngenxani yokuthi uthola development proper vele from eseyingane. So I think ukuba comparisha akuzu and uZwane has lived longer in terms of life yakhe. And ika simnikeze credit ukuthi ngesikhathi eqala ukuba consistent uZwane ube consistent from the age of 31 as a superstar. Well ebedlala kamanye ama season but uhlale kwi shadow namanje usadlala under shadow of other players. He's always the second best player ku Sundowns. That is a fact. Even under inko shadow yenkomo uShalulile inkomo uShalulile iyona ethatha ama award ekhona yabo. He's never been that go-to guy for Sundowns, you know, that guy who carries Sundowns on his shoulders. No, it's never happened. Umfukeng is carrying Pirates right now. So I wish mina kubethwa wayithola na development yabo leka Mfukeng ngabe mhlambe siyaba comparisha kahle. So ungazodlala Umfukeng at a young age he's done things that other people, his peers and even older people and some players who have retired can only dream of yabo. Playing for Bafana at such a young age. Tell me one player who's won 2 consecutive Player of the Season awards. Or Young Player of the Season awards, nominated alongside Abo Ribeiro and Abo Mkwena for Player of the Season. Ubekhona njalo uZwane okay ubelimele last season, which shows which is consistent. He's only played for 2 and a half seasons, but already isn't say achieving quite remarkable. It's not even guys ngeke usana ukuzodlala. He scored in big games, he scored in finals, played Champions League, played for Bafana. At the 2.5 he's achieved half kahle we career kaZwane usewukhavile ngo2 years nje. Usewukhave wawuqeda. So about the consistency ukuthi uzokwazi ukureacha ezinye izinto sizokubona as time progresses. Manje uzosebenzisa logic yokuthi kune cup angakayiwina kuyi league having won other trophies repeatedly. Sizoya kuleyo ukuthi Olivier Giroud is better than Ronaldo because uGiroud nento sayiwina Ronaldo angayinanga. Noma ngifuna ukuthi uSunderland ubetter kunokhune because uSunderland useke wawina iCAF Champions League and wavimba kule final second leg against Zamalek. Angifuni siye kuleyo logic leyo ngoba leyo asikhulumeni ngebhola la, we talking football. Ayikho youngster at his age Umfukeng yakuyadlala njengaye kwi PSL era. Angizokukhuluma ngesikhathi soJomo Sono because ngangingekho.